Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Glen L in Oklahoma. This is your LesComm improved Magnum 1. Still got a few more things to do. You can see I've done the frequency mod there. Put the hot glue on the jumpers that the Palomar engineers added, along with the other little parts that they've added in here for improvements. Okay, to keep those from moving around. And also I've added the hot glue to the power connector there in the back. I think I've said before, I had a couple of customers say that the pins pushed out when they tried to use an aftermarket power cable. So put that hot glue on there, and hopefully that has stopped that. I haven't got any more reports of it. But the big thing that I wanted to show you was these guys right here. The FQP 13N10s RN, and that improved your peak output power about 20 watts. Okay, I'll show you that real quick. I got some more things to do to the radio, like I'm going to replace this cap and this cap with 3300 microfarad caps. These are 1025 volts, both of them. And I'll be replacing them with 3300 25 volt caps. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Well, let me finish that up, and I'll be back. Okay, Glen, Oklahoma, back with your Magnum 1. Wanted to show you the capacitor upgrades. 3300 microfarad, 25 volt, right there on the side. Same thing back here, but it's turned around where you can't read it. Well, no, it ain't. There it is right there. 3300 microfarad, 25 volt. And of course, I've already shown you the FQP 13N10s, but all three finals get replaced with the FQPs. Okay? And the radio does do more with these in there. I'm going to show it to you here in just a minute. All right? More to come. Okay, wanted to show you the receiver. Just got the cover sitting on there right now. We're on channel 38 on, what is it? We're on FM. Let's go to AM. Okay. Let's go back to FM, and I'll switch this guy here to FM, and you hear the tone increase. Got a little FM switch there where I inject 1000 hertz tone into the frequency oscillator for modulation. I'll get FM deviation, cut that off. Back on AM, you hear the tone get louder. Now I'm going to go to sideband, and that's the way the tone sounds on sideband. This is on lower side, and for some reason, all radios do this. I get the tone on lower sideband. Upper sideband is just too far off frequency to get the tone. Don't ask me why. I don't completely understand it. It seems to me like they would both do the same thing, but all radios that I work on do this. And it may just be that guy right there. He may be just low enough in frequency to where that I can't get upper sideband. See, I get it, but it's not that great. Let me move the span switch over to right there. Right there, 384. So that thing there is low on frequency. It's not your radio. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me put, well, hang on. I'm going to do a power demo. I'll be right back. Okay. Glen, here we're back with your Magnum 1. I'm going to show you the output power. The meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. we're going to be reading on that bottom scale there. That's 80 watts. That little mark there in the middle is 90 watts, and that's 100. Both of these have 100 watt slugs in them. Okay, I'm on the lower side of channel 40. Audio, hello, 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 audio. Hey, yeah, you read that right. That's about 92 watts with these FQP 13N10s in there. Hello, audio. 58 watts RMS. Okay, let's go to AM. Of course, I got the power turned all the way up. Audio, hello, 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 audio. About 80, 82 watts on the AM. FM doing 50 watts. No, 40 watts RMS. And of course, you know, it don't know how to measure peak envelope power on FM. Hello, audio, audio, hello, audio. Boy, I tell you what, this damn radio has got some good output circuits and excellent modulation. And with those FQP 13N10s in there, well, the output of the radio was about 50 watts, okay, between 50 and 55 watts with the original transistors in it. And there they are in the little container, my little screw catcher. About 50 to 55 watts on sideband. And with the FQP 13N10s, you saw it jumped up to about, well, right around 90 watts, 90, 92 watts. So that's a big damn increase. That's almost 40 watts. Well, that is 40 watts of an increase on this one. Now, they don't all increase that much. You know, most of them give me about 80 to 85, but this one went all the way up to above 90. So it's a talker. All right, Glenn, it's finished. I got to put the screws in it and box her up. 7 3s, everybody.